In the realm of shadows and moonlit desire, where love's flame burns with an eternal fire, there lies a tale of passion and allure of a love so deep, so timeless, so pure. In the heart of darkness, a love did bloom for Patana Wang. Beauty's sweet perfume, her eyes like stars, captured souls with a glance. Her voice like silk, entranced every chance. With every step she danced with grace. Her presence a mesmerizing embrace. A siren of beauty she held hearts in thrall. As she bewitched, enchanted, captivated all. In the depths of night, their love did thrive. An endless devotion that would never die. Patana Wang, the epitome of allure, the sexiest person to ever endure. Through the ages, their love did transcend. A love so fierce it could never be condemned. They danced in moonlight, under starry skies, bound together in love's eternal ties. Oh, how they yearned, in each other's embrace. A love so deep it defied time and space, their souls entwined, forever entangled, in a love story that could never be unraveled.